What's up guys, it's Nico aka Neeks back with a brand new video, and I feel like I haven't sat down and talked to the camera in so long. So because I've been in South Korea all summer, I have been vlogging and I haven't done many like sit down and just kind of like talk or review something in so long. But I am back from Korea and I got back to probably the best gift of all time, which is the Kylie Cosmetics 24K birthday collection. So you guys, when I got home in the worst depression for being back home, this just brightened up the mood completely and I can't wait to dive in with you guys. So like I said, this is the Kylie Cosmetics birthday collection, the 24K. And let's open it up right on camera, you guys. This is so wild how gorgeous this looks. As you can see, almost all the packaging has her face on it, which I absolutely love. She is giving face, and I can't wait to really dive into all these products. So, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, at Neeks, USI already posted a photo with the Kylie Cosmetics lip serum, which honestly is so amazing. I am obsessed. I wear it all night and day. So that's the first product I'll be diving into. So voila, it's right here. Let's crack it open. You guys, when I tell you, this is so moisturizing, it's scented so well, and there are actual little flakes of gold. Take a look. You guys can literally see the little gold flakes. The applicator is so nice, and it's so hydrating. You can literally see it on my lips. So lightweight. The smell is so nice. This is probably my favorite lip product I've ever used. Okay, on to the next product, which I actually did use in the same photo, is this 24K highlighter. You guys, the packaging looks flawless. She is serving as per usual, but it looks even nicer when you actually crack open the package. Look at this. Let me get me out of this frame so it'll focus. You guys, look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. I am probably the worst at arm swatches, you guys, but we're gonna do it. So, I'm just gonna do it on my hand right here. You guys, like, wow. This is a blinding highlighter. And obviously it doesn't have to be this, I guess, harsh or pigmented. You can honestly just do a little brush and just do a bit on the face and it won't be as crazy, I guess, pigmented. But if you wanted that really golden glow, this is your girl. Okay, next is the all over gloss. And if you guys would have seen her video with Ariel, you would have saw him put some on the lid and it looked fantastic. And I can't wait to give this a try. So it kind of has like a lip gloss applicator. You can put it on the lips, the lids, the face, the body, pretty much anything. And let's also just do a little hand swatch. So I'm just gonna put a dab on my hand. Is she focused? Let's just, oh my God, you guys. It's so glossy and so nice. Like I said, sorry for being the worst swatcher on earth. I don't know what it is with me and swatches. I can't do them. My hat goes off to those who can. And on to the next one, which is probably the nicest packaging in this whole collection in my opinion, and this is the Body Glow. So a big thing for me in body glows are, I hate when they're too gooey and sticky because you just feel disgusting, and the whole point of a body glow is to wear them in the summer to glow. So let's hope this is a bit thinner and not as like ooey and sticky as a lot of other body glows on the market. So yeah, if it's gonna be like the all over gloss, I don't know how I'll feel, but let's give it a try. Okay, you guys, as per usual, I'm just gonna drop some on my hand. Oh my God, you can already feel it's so thin and it already feels amazing from this little drip. Wow, this is going to look so good on someone's body and feel so good. You can even just see the like sheerness, how it's absorbing into the skin. Oh, I need to wear this ASAP. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe my hand to try the other products, which are these liquid eyeliners. Again, packaging 10 out of 10. She is the most gorgeous woman on earth. So the eyeliners come with two. One of them is like more pink and the other is kind of peachy. I'm just gonna go ahead with the peachy one first. Let's just give us a little swatch. Oh my god, so nice. You guys, I'm the worst swatcher. But looks great in person, trust me. And here is the other eyeliner. Do I even bother with the swatch, you guys? I'm so bad, but looks so nice. This one is really giving more pink and the other is giving more like rosy gold. Okay, on to the next, which are these lip shines. So it comes with 4 and I can't wait to try these out. The colors are all very wearable, all very neutral, and even though I don't wear makeup in the sense of like, I would never say never, but I don't wear like fuchsia eyeshadow or like yellow green eyeshadow. I like makeup where you can't really tell I'm wearing that much makeup, and I think these are going to be my best friend. So I'll try it on my actual lips so you guys can see what it actually looks like on the face. This one looks really nice of a color, if you could open it. Let's go with the scent, okay. I think it's unscented. And let's just go in. Wow, what a creamy, nice formula. Wow. This feels so good on the lips, and you honestly can't tell I'm wearing much makeup at all. This just feels so good on the lips, and the applicator is so nice, and it honestly just feels like a good, creamy, juicy lip. This isn't screaming I'm wearing lipstick, you know what I mean? But this gives like a really good, you know, juicy, glossy, and just like colored lip. Here are the other 3. So this looks similar to the one that I liked at first. It's a bit more pale, and then these 2 are the darker colors. And then last but not least is the actual pressed eyeshadow palette itself in all its glory. This is such a gorgeous photo shoot, you guys, and the palette itself is the same photo on the palette, and it is so nice. Let's open it right up. Wow, you guys. Look at this palette. This is seriously unreal. There are so many everyday looks that can get completed with these shadows, and this is gonna be great for someone like me who's kind of just starting out and doesn't want to go overboard. So I literally already love every single shade. You couldn't tell much at all in the Instagram photo from earlier, but I actually put some of the Love It Here shade on my lid, but the lighting kind of washed me out in that photo, so you couldn't see much. But I'm really excited to start using these shadows. So yeah, you guys, I know I'm not the biggest beauty guru yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to get better at these swatches, these reviews. I really am just starting out here, so let's just hope that I get better. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below what your favorite product was, and I will keep wearing everything and posting on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there at Neeks for more content, for more skincare, beauty, travel, and everything. So as per usual, I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!